Fear of God, Gucci, not the Cardi lens. I can't wait till you bitches die, yeah, man. Fuck my
Conversation my children talk about.
I want to say something. You should guys subscribe to my dad's channel.
Oh, you heard it first. You guys should subscribe to her daddy's channel.
Daddy.
Because your daddy is lit, right?
We got a little something different today, guys. We're gonna be putting some brakes on a Polaris 1000. Polaris Sportsman, actually. It got bearings and all. We're gonna be doing a whole 9 and all that good stuff. But for starters, we're just gonna go ahead and pull these brakes down. Look like we got a 15 millimeter.
That's the wrong number.
Yep, you're gonna need a 15 millimeter on this back caliper, and we just gonna jump right on in it. Oh yeah, hit that subscribe button, like that thing, share that thing, everything. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, we're gonna put some. Man, look at this shit. Wow.
Oh hell no!
Well, I guess we're gonna be throwing that in the crash. Oh. Yes, sir. Hey, man. So I told y'all we're going to the range tomorrow. Y'all gonna see Big Mama Draco bust off some shots and stuff.
Why the fuck you lying?
Get out there and make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if my impact is still here. Speed this process up a little bit. Hey, ratchet. The ratchet cool, but this impact gun, boy, it's a lifesaver. Sometimes you can't always fit it. Oh yeah. Say, oh yeah. Hit right there, didn't you? know what I'm saying? Hit right there, didn't you? Then we're gonna pull this little caliper up. And my man, I watched the video. I partially watched it because it looked so easy myself. I want to do this right quick. And my man just took his joint back there like so. Just to press that caliper in, get that pressure off. Oh yeah. Let's make sure he even got the right brakes. They look the same. Oh my God, he got some dirt. He got a lot of dirt. He actually went with Northridge Performance. Northridge Performance brakes. Damn, really? Look at that. Okay, so there's the caliper. So we gotta push that bad boy in. Bro, this dude ain't got no brakes. These motherfuckers is gone. Might need a heavier duty flathead. That joint ain't getting it done. Yeah, it should be, it's so hard to go in. Yeah, real. But guess what? Haha. I work smart, not hard, guys. This is what we can do with this thing. C-clamp. You heard of a C-clamp? Yes, sir. Should go ahead and lock down on that thing. Yep. Push it right on in. I ain't got time to sit here and keep bullshitting with you. Bam. Push some things in, like so. Then we're gonna come over here. And we're gonna drop this first one. What in the hell, Grizz? Did you see that?
Oh, hell no!
Oh my God. This dude. Bruh. I wonder if his truck looked like his four-wheeler.
Barely.
Okay. So we're gonna drop this one on here like that. Hey, yo. Twist that thing up like that. Oh, man. Bring it up a little bit. It's gotta be even. It's gotta be even when it go on. What we do with that flat head we had? What we do with that flat head we had? Man, guys, and if you don't know, like I say, if you don't know how Draco make a living, this is it. Not necessarily always on four-wheels and stuff, but I mean, I am mechanically inclined.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, feel me. So all my friends that ain't so mechanically inclined, when they need stuff done, guess what they call? You guessed it. Big Draco. Yes, sir. They always hit me up. Bruh, I need to do this. Hey, boy, when are you gonna learn how to do something? Boy. Everybody come and watch me and learn so you can know how to do it next time. Alright. Right.
Got him!
And like that, guys, boom. We got that one in. You take the boat, come back over here. Drop that in like so. And we come over here. And we lock them back down. And boom. That's it, guys. Once side done, 2 more to go. Well, 3 more to go. And we're gonna be doing some bearings, but that's gonna be later. It's kind of like car brakes. I mean, it ain't too big of a difference, but I mean, not too hard of a job, not too dirty of a job. Just pull that out, pump your brakes, get your caliper, get your fluid back in your caliper, and hey, you're good to go.
Barely.
Till next time, it's your boy Draco. Just a little short little tutorial on Can-Am brakes. I mean, Can-Am, Polaris. Hey, man, sorry to disrespect my Can-Am like that. Jeez, but geez, Batman. We out.